Hey everybody, it's Fish and Dipper, what's up? So today, we're doing something a little bit special. We're not going to be doing a dip review. No. Even though Copenhagen Straight, as you all know, is my favorite dip of all time. But we do have this little Durango bag that I have not yet opened, and about to do that now. And I have never had this stuff before. Oh shit, ripped the bag a little bit. That happens sometimes. So, we got ourselves a bag of chew. It's weird. Most chews taste like, well, at least to me, they taste like, some people say that they're kind of buttery or something. I just personally feel like they all taste like raisins. But this one, I don't know, it smells like it will taste like raisins, but I don't know. Anyway, let's throw in a cheek already. Yeah. What the hell? Oh, by the way, I already took a look at this. It's 7% domestic tobacco, 97% foreign tobacco. So it might be good. Most foreign tobaccos have a higher concentration of nicotine in them. I don't know why. But here we go. Alright, we got ourselves a nice little cheek in there. My jug of the day. They're locked and loaded. So, this has an interesting flavor. It's actually really good. I like it. As you can tell, it's almost completely black spit. So, it's bulging out a little bit right there. Right there. But, stuff, you know, I saw it at Walmart one day, and I'm kind of like, I want to do a review on it. So, you know, I was at Walmart picking up some new lures for some bass fishing. And I decided, you know what, I'll just get it to try it. I got it, and I'm doing a review for you right now, as you can tell. But, well, it says on here it's blended smooth. And you know how I was saying earlier that like most chews have that like raisin flavor to them? This one is actually kind of buttery. Well, not really buttery. It's really sweet too. It reminds me of drinking like a glass of sweet tea, like sun-made sweet tea or something like that. No, I don't care. Mud jugs are awesome, but you gotta have more than just one. Oh, and if you didn't know, right now there is a special going on mudjug.com. You can get 3 mud jugs for, I think it was $29.99. Here, I'll just check that really quick. But Yeah, you can get 3 basic colored mud jugs for $29.95. Was that? Yeah, $29.95. And I mean, like, I think you can get any color you want. But that special is only going to be going through like the next few days, which today is the 27th, so it'll go on until the 29th. So, there's that. Anyway, at first this thing was kind of burning my tongue a little bit, but now it's kind of just settled in. You know what? I think this might actually be the chew equivalent of like Copenhagen Southern Blend. I don't know. I've never had Southern Blend personally, but yeah, it's pretty good, pretty wicked. I'm not gonna lie. I never say wicked. So I want to give a shout out to one of the guys up on Twitter. If you don't know, I have a Twitter for this channel, and it is Eric Johnson? No, I don't know. I don't. Eric Johnsonen? I don't know. I don't know how to say his last name. But he is, well, he was one of the people that first took a look at my videos. But his Twitter handle is Eric, capital E, M, which is capital, J, capital, Z, or O, all capitals. I just wanted to give him a shout out because he's actually a pretty cool guy. I guess in his woodshop class he made I think it was his woodshop class, but I know he made a wooden version of like a mud jug. And he just puts a can of Copenhagen straight up in there, and I'm like, dude, that's awesome, and it's my favorite dip. I'm like, that is fucking awesome, dude. But I don't know how the aftertaste is going to be with this stuff. But it's good. I'm definitely going to finish this bag, which, you know, 3 frickin' ounces. This was like around $10. That's about how much Redman, Levi Garrett, and all that other shit's sold around here. And it is black as shit when you spit too. So, even though we're not really dipping today, remember to always pack your tin and pack your lip.